You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name from Luxembourg. This is the name of a dish. If you want to learn more cooking terms that are delicious and confusing, stay tuned, I've got tons for you. So, Luxembourgish pronunciation, and then how you can say it in English. Gromperekichelcher. 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 Therefore, in English, those are sort of potato fritters. Gromperekichelcher. Gromperekichelcher is how you can say it, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.